Hello, this is the instructions for the visual workshop for Module 9 on page 252. So basically they want us to find a trend first for each student for the 4 terms. So click in F5, choose the Insert tab. In the Spark Lines group, select Line. For the range, it'll start with B5 all the way to E5, B5 through E5. Click OK. I like to show markers. You could just do a high point and a low point, or you can choose markers and it shows each term. If you'd like to change the style, do this, select this before you go ahead and fill handle, and then go ahead all the way down. Click in the final grade, G5, and you will choose the auto sum down arrow, select average. Just be careful because it wants to include the trend column, which is F. So I'm just going to shift left arrow so it really is only equal average B5 through E5. I'm going to check that in and then double click. Now notice down in the last one it has equals divide /0. It's an error in the formula. Basically, it can't do any division when there's no numbers on the left-hand side, but that's okay. We'll fix it in a minute. If you go ahead and select B16 and the same feature, auto sum, average, everything above it, perfect. It should be equals average B5 through B15, check, and you'll automatically get an answer. Go ahead and fill handle sideways. Excellent. The next thing they want to do is create a clustered column chart that shows each student and their grades through the semester. So start selecting in A4 and all the way go to E15. Again, we're not taking row 16 or column F and G. And then we'll choose Insert. And we'll go to Recommended Charts. And there we have the recommended chart. I think the clustered column chart is a lot easier to read versus stacked column. Some people go with the horizontal, so if you'd like to choose either the first one, the clustered bar, or the clustered column, that's your call. And then go ahead and click OK. And then we're going to move it to its own sheet, so go ahead and choose Move Chart, select New Sheet, and this was called Student Grades Chart, and then click OK. It moves it to its own sheet, and if you wanted to change the color, you're welcome to, whatever you'd like. If you wanted to choose a different style, you can go ahead into the Styles menu, and again, in order to see what's happening, you just hover over each one. This is nice because it has the grades inside, whereas these are the grades outside. There you go. Anything you'd like. And go ahead and save and submit. I think it back in sheet 1, if I don't recall correctly. In G1, you're supposed to type your name. Okay, that's a save and submit. Thank you.